What's going on, all my hustlers and grinders and go-getters? The ones that wake up in the morning, look in the mirror and say, I'm gonna get money today. It's your favorite hauler and junk diva, the JoJo Lena.
And today you're coming along with us. We have some jobs on the list, and our first one is for a business owner. And owning your own business is the best feeling ever.
So make sure you smash that like button and let's get this money.
At our first job of the day, and this is a repeat customer. Leave a comment down below. How many repeat customers do you service in a week? So we are at our first job of the day, and it is inside a movie theater. And what we need to do is get rid of all the old seats because they got new ones. So it's a little bit in the dark, but here you go. Down here is parts of seats. So we have this part, which is all metal, and then there's the back of the seats. And then down here is the bottom of the seat. So they're already taken apart. What we need to do is pick them up, load them up, and haul them away.
And if you want to know how much money we made, make sure you watch the video to the very end. Now let's talk a little bit of trash with Matt and the JoJo, and we're gonna break it down why we love the trash business and why we love being our own boss and why we love being an entrepreneur. And JoJo, what's the first reason why you love being your own boss?
The best reason ever is being able to set your own schedule. You work when you want to work, and you don't work when you don't want to work. And setting your schedule is the absolute best thing about owning your own business.
And another thing is you're not capped out on a dollar amount. You can make as much money as you want.
And another thing, being able to make your own decisions. That's super big, because when you work for somebody else, those decisions are made for you. And in life, you want to be able to make your own decisions.
And another reason is you can be as big as you want to be or keep it small. You can have 5 trucks going out every single day, or be a one-man crew, or you and your wife going out and busting jobs out. That's another great reason.
Yeah, that you just have control like that. You can be absolutely as big as you want to be or as small as you want to be.
And that's Trash Talk with me and the JoJo. And just for the record, these old funky chairs, they are not light at all. So about 45 minutes later, JoJo, was that a workout or what?
That was because there were some stairs involved.
So just like that, job is complete, and that's a repeat customer right there that keeps us busy all the time, JoJo.
Yeah, he is a repeat customer. Not only does he own the movie theater store, but he owns multiple businesses. He also, in town, owns a comic book store.
And he calls us up at least once a month. And being your own boss is one of the best things in the world. Isn't it? Having that freedom, it's the American dream. You can do whatever you want, whenever you want. He's making money. All the money's going in his pocket. There's no middleman. You're not working for someone else. There's no 9 to 5. You gotta clock in and clock out. You gotta ask to take a deuce. You got all that BS all the time. Being your own boss is the best thing in the world.
It is. Being your own boss, yeah, it does take work, and you have to juggle things, but you know, the outcome is so much more rewarding. It is so rewarding working for yourself. Leave a comment down below. Do you work for yourself? And what do you find is the best thing about being your own boss?
Now, JoJo, what's your prediction of the dump fee?
Well, this one's a little bit tricky, and I had to think a little bit on it because it is kind of heavy. The seats weighed quite a bit, but the armrests were those were heavy, but they're made of metal, so we're going to be able to discard those. So I'm going to guess that it's going to be about a ton. So I'm going to say 130.
130? I'm going to say 137. I think one of those chair cup holders I might bring home. and put it in the boat.
Yeah, I'm thinking he probably could have put those online and got rid of those.
Oh, I do believe that. So yeah, what's your prediction again? 130?
130.
And that was what? 137. 7. So let's see what happens. So guess who won? You did.
Yeah, I figured I would.
Piss me off. Oh hell no. Whatever.
What was it?
I don't even want to even talk about it. We was way off.
Oh, I was way off.
Yeah.
I won, but I don't feel like I won. When I'm that far off, I don't feel like I did crap.
It was $78. We really were hauling and balling on that one. I thought it was a lot heavier, but we got rid of a lot of that metal. So yeah, we really like that load up.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to predict how much the dump fee is going to be when you are going to unload and, recycle a bunch of it. So that's good though. It's always better when the dump bill is like way cheaper than what you think it's going to be. That means there's more money in your pocket.
I don't want to talk to you no more. You're the winner of today.
That's okay. We saved lots of money. That's awesome. It's awesome owning your own business.
Now it's time to drop a load first thing in the morning. My favorite part of the morning.
You did that already.
Whatever.
At our next job of the day, and it is a preschool, and they have some old toys that they need hauled away, and they found us online.
So let's check out the jobby job. So these go right here, JoJo, and all this stuff right here needs to go, which really isn't that much stuff.
So job is complete. It took about 10 minutes, and look at the back of our dump truck. If you break things down right and stack it right, you'll have lots of room for multiple jobs.
So just like that, we're heading to the next one, and it's a couch.
Just a couch.
Just a couch, and she said it is donatable, so we'll find out when we get there.
Yeah, you never know. Leave a comment. Let us know how many people think their stuff is good stuff or donatable. So many people will call and say, I have good stuff, or you could donate this. But she actually said that she talked to the place and that they said, yes, she could donate.
It don't matter if she talked to him or not. We got to show up and look at it. So
yeah,
it's hard with the coronavirus going on. They don't take much stuff. So we're heading to the next job, and it's just a couch. So let's head over there. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Now, JoJo, who's the hauler and baller of the week?
It is an employee of the month from Pelican Hauling.
From Roseville, California. Check out that t-shirt. Representing to the fullest.
I love it.
And if you guys want to be featured on one of our videos, go down below and buy yourself some merch and send us a picture. And maybe, you never know, you might be in the next video coming out.
So we are at our last job of the day. This person found us on Facebook, and she says she has a couch that is donatable. Let's take a look at that couch and see if she's correct.
So I'm gonna tell you like this. It actually is a very nice couch, JoJo. So I was wrong. The customer was right this time. Hopefully we can get it out without it getting dirty because, yeah, it's nice. We can donate it for sure. So just like that, we're done for the day, and hopefully you guys like this video. And Jojo, how much money do we make today? $1,147. That ain't that bad, Jojo.
That is almost what I used to make for the whole month.
Oh my goodness.
I know, because you get like, if you're like prorated and you get a certain amount every single month, no matter how many hours you work, it's just like a salary. Yes.
And that's the best reason why I start your own business, because you can work 6 hours like we did and make a killing. It's all about dedication, being a go-getter, hustling, marketing, and getting your brand out there.
Yeah, and one of the things I love about it is you get out what you put into it, for sure.
So if you guys like these videos, make sure you smash that like button, and we'll catch you on the next one.